Hello, this is John Wright at MarineMax in Wrightsville Beach. Today we're going to take a look at a new 2019 Sea Ray 250 SDX outboard. Give you a little spec information on the boat first. The boat is a full 27 foot 6 inches overall, including the swim platform. Has an 8 foot 6 inch beam, a 63 gallon fuel tank as well. Starting here on the transom, you'll see this boat is equipped with the new V8 Mercury 250. You have the sea deck on the swim platform, very spacious. You also have a large cooler in the floor on the transom here. You have your 12-volt charger. As we step up into the cockpit, you have a freshwater shower, stereo controls. If you want more cockpit space, this seat moves back, making a great L shape here. Lots of storage, lots of cup holders. Another big storage compartment in the floor. As you see, this boat is equipped with the white sports tower. It also has the optional Fusion wakeboard or water sports speakers, big subwoofer, premium premier stereo package. As we move up to the helm, you see this boat is equipped with the Simrad flat panel display, Fusion flat panel audio controls, digital throttle and shift. And the big feature on the 250 is the head compartment is in the center of the boat, maximizes space, converts to a big sun pad. There's actually an additional pad that folds down over the toilet to give you more room. Great storage, great place for kids to get out of the weather. Very, very functional. As we move up to the bow, you've got great bow seating all the way across. Again, Fusion speakers, 12 volt for charging your phone, music devices. You also have a swim ladder in the bow with a freshwater watch down for the ladder. This boat is equipped with the blue gel coat with white bottom with the dune interior. Obviously it's available in all the color options Sea Ray provides. And again, my name is John Wright at MarineMax Wrightsville Beach. Thanks for taking the time to check out our video on this 250 SDX outboard. Glad to show you this boat or any in inventory. Give us a call, 910-256-8100.